Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata guys. If you have a Hyundai Sonata, you need to find how to replace AC pressure switch. Because of a bad AC pressure switch, your AC system will not work, your AC compressor will not work. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. If you do it the wrong way, you can first hurt yourself, second you can get yourself a big fine, third you're going to release all your Freon in the atmosphere, which can lead to the big fine. So stay with us and we'll explain how to do that on a Hyundai Sonata today. So let me guys introduce you to the channel quick. This should work on Hyundai Sonata generation 2010 to year 2015. Now, every single car that we get at the garage, you probably already know that, but we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information. Something else, if you need to buy tools, parts to fix your car, Hyundai Sonata, anything guys, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. And another thing, if you want to learn how to do diagnostics, fix electrical components on your Hyundai Sonata, we have a special channel guys, check it out, Electrical Car Repair Live. You can find quite helpful information and videos that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. So looking at this one guys, 2013 Hyundai Sonata. So let's explain a little bit about the AC system. When you open the hood, usually on the left side right here you have the high pressure port, and low pressure port on this side. And if you look down there, that right there is your AC compressor guys, It's driven by the serpentine belt, the AC clutch. When it activates, it will activate the compressor. But what tells the AC compressor to turn on? First you push the button inside to activate the AC guys, to turn the AC on. The engine computer is going to calculate how much pressure you have in the AC system. If you don't have enough pressure, it's not going to turn it on. If you have too much pressure, it's not going to turn it on because it can damage the AC compressor. So with that being said guys, now let's explain actually where that AC pressure switch is and what actually calculates how much pressure you have in the system. This one here guys. Now, the thing about that is, if you try to just go ahead and remove it, what will happen guys, you will release all the Freon in the atmosphere. It's going to spray under enormous amount of pressure. It can blind you, hurt you guys, and it's illegal. So do not do that. But what you need to do, you need to drain all the Freon, take it to an AC shop, they connect it to a machine and they suck all the Freon out. Once the system is empty, you can proceed with replacing the switch. So that switch, how do you guys replace it? Right here, you press down and you disconnect the cable, the wire. Now on the bottom side, we're going to hold it with an 18mm socket guys. Let me see if it's going to get in here. You need to hold it, otherwise you're going to damage the AC line if you don't hold it there. And 24mm on top, and just get it loose and make sure the line doesn't break, make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Careful not to still have pressure in the system, because it will guys come all of a sudden. This is guys the AC pressure switch. Right here you have one O-ring that if it's bad it can develop leaks. And right there inside it's just an empty hole from the line, and as you can see, that's where the Freon goes. So if you have Freon, everything will come out. That's how we guys, that's how we remove the AC pressure switch. Now we have a special video that will explain how to test AC pressure switch on Hyundai Sonata. Video will be coming very soon, please check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you looking for that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.